Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities available for mechanical engineers and electronics and communication engineer. The name of the company is Hela India Careers. So I will be providing the link in the description. If you click the link, you will be going to the directly to the official website. If not also, you can type Hela India Careers in Google. When you type, you will be getting such results. So in that you have to choose career Hela. So when you click that, you will be directed to the next page. So you will be getting the official website of Hela. If you click the link which I give in description, you also directly come to this page. So here if you scroll down, you can see on the right corner like these options like search jobs for China, India, Mexico, like that. So in that you have to choose search jobs for India. So if you click search jobs for India, you will be directing to this page. So here you can see all the current openings for mechanical engineers and electronics and communication engineer. EC students and mechanical students can make use of it. So there are plenty of job opportunities and many they have been recently posted. So scroll down and apply for whatever relevant jobs you want. So first two jobs, that is for GET new product development and software test automation engineer, all the jobs are available. The job location is Punjab. So those who want to pursue their career in North can make utilize of this opportunity. So when you keep on scrolling down, for EC students you can go for hardware electronics engineer and software automation engineer for mechanical. So both mechanical and EC students can make use of it, and software test on automation engineer. So many posts are there. So whichever relevant and whichever suit for you, kindly make use of it. So when you click the icon of get new product development, you will be coming to this page. If you want to apply means, then click on the icon apply now. So before that, let us see what are the requirements they expect from us. If you keep on scrolling down, they will be telling the company detail like Hela is one of the leading automotive suppliers worldwide and have been shaped their industry with lightning system and vehicle electronics. So mechanical and electronics are combined together, and in this company it's one of the most important partner in the world market. They motivate in shaping the mobility of tomorrow and central trends all over the world. Almost if you see 36,000 employees are working worldwide, and if you have a great chance means, then try to make use of the best opportunity for your lifetime. So what is your task? So you are appointed as the graduate engineer trainee for design and development, and you have to ensure the compliance and external and internal quality of the product. So you have to do all those stuffs, and working in any, I mean depending upon your department, you will be working in the particular domain, and you have to be involve yourself in optimizing various modules. So what are the other qualification? You should need good communication skill. If you are fresher means no problem. If you have 1 year experience also, it's added advantage. And desirable lighting industry candidate, you should be very sparkling one, and those who completed BE or BTech in mechanical and electronics can apply for this job. So it's a wonderful opportunity for both the department students. So make use of it, and try to make this opportunity to work under such an environment. If you are willing to apply means, then click the icon apply now, so that you will be applying for this job, and after that you will be directed to another page where you need to fill your basic details like your first name, email ID, date of birth, and you have to upload your documents and resumes and certificates and all. So if you kindly upload everything whatever they are asking, and also adhere to the maximum file size, it's 5 MB maximum. So adhere to all those things and upload everything and apply for this job. I think so it's very clear. If you feel it's useful means, then kindly share this video to mechanical and electronic students, and do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator. So then only you will be receiving all the videos which we upload. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.